What's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? Welcome to the show. Good morning, Team Bowl. What's going on, everybody? Hello, hello, hello. What's up, jalapeno doctor? What's up, bro? How's it going?
All good, man. You?
Doing great. Good. The best weekend was out skiing in the cold all weekend.
Yes. Same here.
Yeah.
From December.
A bedhead still.
Suddenly.
Let's get this. Okay. Boom. All right. We're firing on all cylinders, baby. I'm very excited for this trading week. We got a loaded week of data, too, between Fed speakers and actual data. Got CPI this week, PPI. We're stacked up. We're stacked up. We are stacked all the way up, baby. Bad knees, no skiing for me. I mean, it can get you for sure. It's very knee intensive. Very knee intensive. Oh, Vail was great. I skied Vail on Friday. Then I skied Beaver Creek on Friday and Saturday. So it was good. I enjoyed it a lot. Beaver Creek was fantastic this weekend. Hey, you see the DOJ sent the Fed a subpoena? Crazy. They're trying to put Jay Powell behind bars. That would never happen, but Trump wants those interest rates pushed down.
Never know. Crazy times happening.
Day trading. Let's see here. Okay. Guess what? Tomorrow is my free live training. So if you aren't signed up, you're getting close to that last chance. We're getting really close. Save seat. Okay, let's do this. Let's do that. Let's do this. We're going to finish a prop eval with you guys this week. I started it here and wanting to finish it. Let's go. Let's make y'all some moolah. Let's make y'all some moolah. I just want to be back in the mountains. If I could have this whole internet set up out in the mountains and my whole setup, I'd just live out there. We'll see. The market is, well, we're down from closing print, a few hundred points. I'd love to see a downtrend today. It was interesting. I was green every day last week besides Friday. Friday I was red. I could try a Starlink, I guess, but I don't think it'd give me what I need. Actually, Starlink's actually pretty cheap too. It's crazy. Like $350 and then $50 a month. It's actually crazy. That's actually crazy. I'm about to buy one right now. Question is though, can you hardwire into a Starlink? Do they take Ethernet? I can't believe my Broncos are underdogs at home, the 1 seed versus the Bills. What's up, bro? What's up, dog? How you doing, Grizzly Lock? How was your weekend, bro? I had a great weekend, man. I had a fantastic weekend. Obviously. Address. No, top of the morning, everybody. Let's go. What's up, Team Bull Money Team? Good morning. Good morning and happy Monday. You watching any football this weekend, Grizzly? I watched a lot of football. There were some good games on. Good. Us Broncos love being doubted. We love being the underdog. Yeah, Grizzly Glock, how do we feel about Jacksonville? The Patriots are nice. I'm not gonna dog on them for sure. What the fuck? 7. Fast love. All right. Guess what I just did? I just ordered a Starlink. I just ordered myself a Starlink. Got myself some internet. We're going to try that. Fast life. We'll see how long it takes to ship. See if they're on their game. See if Starlink's on their game. I've already tried all the mobile hotspots and Netgear and stuff for when I go to the mountains. They all suck. Oh, how about that Bears comeback though? Oh. Oh, 21-6 in the comeback in the end of the third to the fourth. Oh man, that's gotta hurt. You know what's funny is I was texting GD and I was like, damn, how about that extra point's gonna come back to bite y'all in the butt. Turns out they would have been down by only 3. They could kick field goal and tied. Seven missed points is crazy. Crazy work, bro. Yep. All those kicks, literally. Crazy, crazy work. The Packers did not choose DOD. They chose DOD. They chose dopamine over discipline. They chose all the dopamine over discipline. All right, let's see what we got for levels today. So let's start with the NASDAQ. We got news over the weekend that the DOJ subpoenaed the Fed over the renovation of the Fed buildings. Jay Powell says it's political, says it's fine. gives this whole speech. Market takes a nice little tumble last night. I personally, when we're up here near all-time highs, it's a little tougher. But from a higher time frame perspective, it's going to be hard for us to build an actual long base unless we're above 26,000. We also had a lower volume on the sell down, so it leads me to believe that we could see a bounce back up. But we're going to need to reclaim and build aggressively, preferably a 1 hour and 4 hour close above that 830, the 800 area. So I'd like to see us build above that, target this 26,000. If we fail this 26,000 or 25,600 area, I think we have a decent amount of room down. Gene was here. Crawling your knees. All right, so I think we'll probably just wait for how today ends up playing out. Give us some trend for the week. We got CPI tomorrow too, so we could see some chop today for sure. Show yourself. Take on what you need. Let's see, Tezzy baby. Little gap down to 440 on Tezzy. Potential bounce here at this 438.5. All right, I'm going to go grab something real quick. Get my DOD cup. DOD. All right, guys, we got the DOD cup on a Monday. We're good. We got the DOD cup secured. Yep, Eagles are out of the playoffs. Don't show yourself. Take only what you need. Oh, Jen's in stages. I'm going to go say hi quick. What's up, Grizzly? Go. Okay, do your deal.
The only setup I like close is a sweep below this pre-market level for another bounce. Other than that, I'm just gonna watch press.
That's all I want to know.
I take anything, I will let you all know.
Hey, big dollar bills. To clear my screen. To get it to be clear. Just kidding. It's like $100 for the year.
Sure, it is.
So I want to make sure it's actually working, because if it's not, then we're going to have to figure out a different solution so you guys can actually see. So, where are we at? Let's do that.
We gotta.
Okay, let's do our levels on here. So we don't have any news today. It's a Monday, no news. There was, I don't know if you guys know this, but I think the drop that kind of.
I think just had a gem, but she's focused. How are y'all not a part of Team Bull yet? If you are tapping it every day, we got Jen trades trading on stages. We got Grizzly and I on the Zoom. We got Brandon and GD on their own Zoom. It is lit inside Team Bull. And then guess what tomorrow is? Who's all coming to the free live training tomorrow? I'm hosting my first free live training of January. I promise y'all at least one a month this year. Maybe sometimes two, but at least one a month. Yep, tomorrow. Free live training, 7 p.m. Eastern time. 7 p.m. Eastern time. The link is below in YouTube as well. I will post it in chat and pin it too. Save your seat. I'm going ham. I'm going ham. Grizzly, you watched that Jacksonville game yesterday?
Defense won that.
No, I seen that interception and I was like, oh no, your money line.
Yeah, I lost $50 yesterday. I thought they, yeah, man. I should have. You know how that goes.
Don't worry. If you want a winning sports bet, you can just take the opposite of what I take. Let's see, 438 on Tesla. We have Fed speakers today. We don't have any news today. The rest of the week is pretty news heavy. It's pretty news heavy the rest of the week. Watch. Would like to see bounce and reclaim for calls. NQ. Well, Grizzly, I thought we were getting out of the NQ range. We're right back. Smaller time frames. We have any news? Any other individual names? AMD. Not really. NVIDIA. Not really. Watch list for me. Trade safe. Yep. My screen is visible. I have screen share on. I got screen share on. Let's see here. NASDAQ. NASDAQita. Let's do this. Maybe I will. I'm going to pull up my QQQ options chain today too. Just in case I want to F around. If I see something I like that has some good risk reward, maybe I'll throw some options in today. Throw some options in the oven. What do y'all think about that? Do we need a humble Honda day on a Monday? Who thinks we need a humble Honda day on a Monday? I think we might need ourselves a humble Honda day. We got 5 minutes till open, everybody. Remember, this is a good time to start your mental check-in. How did you sleep last night? Are you focused? Do you have anything going on today? Do you have anything stressful going on this week? Are you able to commit 100% risk management and system to your trading? All these things you have to have answered. If you're in the right mindset, what? Dude, honestly, I put in my pre-market plan. I don't have a lot that I love. We're back in this range on NQ. So I guess we'll see. I'm going to focus on the lower time frames. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, stay patient. Stay focused, stay patient, trade smart, and trade safe.
Watching from the fight from last night, remember the level of the banter. So what I want to see is probably a break above 750 to go along. 750 to go shorts.
Market.
Probably.
Three-day even.
Both shorts maybe below this level 75, like just to tell you now. Below shorts 75. Below shorts. Actually, 75 is important level.
Toe to toe.
See what we get.
Yep, let's get it.
Shorts along. You hear me, guys? These are the half of the time. It's going to find the candlestick.
All right, guys. It's almost game time. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Oh, whoops. There we go. It's almost game time. Trade smart, trade safe, and choose discipline over dopamine today, everybody. DOD today. We have a few Fed speakers to be aware of. Our big data comes in tomorrow. We have CPI tomorrow morning. Yep. And tomorrow's the free live training. I'm stoked. Get y'all systemized, prepared, and ready. CPI is the real eval passer. What's the 1 day?
All right, let's do this. Okay, let's rip up. We'll see.
Ding, 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 ding. Let's get it. Jeez Louise, that was a big candle. As a reminder, guys, if you're looking to get funded this week, if you need a funded account, you can use code Jdun with Apex, Tradeify, Funded Next, or Alpha Futures. If you're a beginner, I recommend Tradeify. They have daily payouts on their select plan. I recommend the 50K select plan. We can get you funded by Wednesday if we can catch 3 winning trades. I just put the link in chat as well. If you guys want to get funded with Tradeify, you can use code JDUN with that link. I'd recommend the 50K select account. It's just over $100. We can get you funded by Wednesday if we can have 3 winning trades. I'm going to do my absolute best. I'm going to do my absolute best, guys, to help you guys get funded to get paid. No. Ooh. Well, all right. Well, that's that. Jeez Louise. Look at that candle. What's up, Gene the Bean?
What's up?
Gene the Bean's here. Greg took NQ shorts. I'm not in any trades. Just letting y'all know right now. Greg did take the shorts, so if you're listening, I recommend sticking with one mentor. I always say that, but in case you didn't hear, now you heard. Now you heard. So if that's your style, do your deal. I personally wait the first 15 minutes. All right. Greg also did trim down here in the 20s. He said his stops are at break even. Just so you guys are aware. I have not taken any trades. Takes me a bit to trade. I'm very slow with my trading. I'm in no trades. Greg said his stops got hit a break even though. I'm not taking any trades. I'm staying patient, guys. I'm staying real patient. I have no need Just take anything the first 15, 20 minutes, a majority of the time.
Are they going for Asian high or what? Now that will close up all day from there looking for the ones now. I'm looking for the loans. Aiming for the Asian high. 902.
I do use Apex. You can use code Jdun with them. I got a $50,000 payout from them. It's my biggest payout. I'm going to go for another one this year.
Thank you, loans, guys.
Another tree.
And 3859. 25859. Stop loss is up.
Feel like it's coming through. All right, let's see here. Nvidia's getting a,
Guys, streaming.
Jesus. Nvidia's getting a real nice push.
Stop loss are break even now. Let's see if we can touch 902. 902.
Tesla didn't quite get to my bounce.
25902. Are you with me on this trade? Thank you, loans. Both at the same time.
Still just waiting for these levels to confirm, everybody. Once we have this range in, we're above pre-market high, very aggressively above pre-market high, to say the least. So we're gonna have a big old gap between pre-market high and our 15-minute high. That'll be interesting. I think we can go ahead and mark out our 15-minute low though. I have a feeling we're not going back below that. Got a very good feeling.
Guys, we're gonna stop over Q.
Got a very good feeling we're not going to break below that in the first 15 minutes.
Anyone make money with this? Do which calls? Shorts on the loans. Gonna pop again. They're still above the export rate. I think they want, to be honest, they want to touch 902. Last week. Two green trades, guys. Two green trades. Let's see. We have one for another one. Let's do it. Let's do it. No pain, no gain.
Let's see here. Tesla, still no trade. I wanted to see I guess we did technically get a fast move down to that. Damn, we did. I didn't even realize that. The first 1 minute candle touched that 438 from the watch list. That's crazy. If any of you guys were watching that Tesla from the watch list, that went crazy. Let's see how those options moved. $438 probably would have been like the 440s.
You guys still on the influence?
Let's go, Big Spencer. That's dope. Be the one. Yeah, that 438 bounce on Tesla went crazy. The options moved from around they're expensive. Those 440 calls are really expensive, like $800 a piece, 800 to like 1100. So what? Over 30%, 35%.
There you go, guys. There you go. They're aiming for 902. If you are still on the entry loans, remember 902 could be the final TP. Or if you're gonna keep holding it, just keep it tight. I'm looking to re-enter at some stage. Right now. That's what I'm doing now.
All right, we are 10 minutes in. We're highly above our pre-market high. Could arguably watch for a 50% retracement of this candle, but even that is a ways down near like 800 for a bounce. So we'd have to wait till all the way down in this retest area to get a trade in terms of a higher low.
Hey guys, bouncing on it for me. So they are killing in the higher time frames. There's a big 4 hour hot box. That's the one they are killing.
Oops.
That hot box dropped 75. That's why they're doing the ones right now. They're trying to kill this 4 hour range. See some candle that goes from this 4 hour range. Hot box goes from 75 to 960. Right now we are above of the middle of the hot box, so they will not pump.
Yeah. I wanted to see a move back down to 800 area. So my main watch, everybody, is a move back down to here for any sort of long. A bit more risk to the bottom of that candle, so. I have not taken a trade. No, I'm very, very selective with the trades I take. It's usually one a day in the first hour or two. All right, TOS is fine.
So if you took the NQ short for loans with me, show me the keys, show me the heart. My phone already. And now we're chilling, looking for another perfect setup. To be honest, to go shorts now is tricky. Why? Because like I already explained, we are inside of the hot box. We are above of the middle of the hot box. So from previous experience, this is a clear sign that there is nothing funky. Yeah, this is trading.
So I'll typically take partials and then move stop loss to break even. There is times, like there is scenarios. Oh my gosh, there is scenarios where I will move my stops to break even if I really like a position. I want to see it run, but a majority of the time I'll take partials and then move it to break even or close to break even at least. At least close. Be the one to make a chance. You're welcome, bro. I want you guys to come in here and learn DOD. Better see each and every one of you guys in the free live training tomorrow. No trades for me yet, guys. Waiting for this 15-minute range to come and be in. I'd like to see either A, a pullback for a higher low, or B, I'd like to see some sort of clear sign of reversal, potentially towards previous day highs. If I'm going to take a reversal, though, it's got to be a clear sign, not just a tap. Come on, let's get those likes up. Let's see. Let's refresh this. We got 1,000 people in here and less than 100 likes. Come on, let's get that up to 200. If you're choosing DOD this week, if you're trading smart, trading safe, choosing discipline over dopamine, hit that thumbs up button and let's learn and level up together, baby. Come on. Hit that thumbs up. Let's go. Yeah, me too. That's what I'm watching too.
Down to 25,789.
To go long short.
I'm looking for a bounce down there.
That's a good area. Looking to that one.
We have a bullish divergence right now. That's all.
We're 50% retracement. Our midlines are on 820. That's far too much risk for me. That I'd already see it move back down like 800. Mondays are going to be our best trading day of the year in 2026. I'm manifesting it. Law of attraction. I'm attracting it. Mondays are going to be great. We're going to continue to kill it on Mondays. All right, let's see what they give us. Yep, last Monday we killed it, so. They are playing games. They are playing games with us, but it's okay. They can make the game, but we're the puppet master. We're pulling the strings. So if I did end up taking longs at 800, I'd likely keep. And if we go below the trend setting candle, it'd have to be like a 50-point risk. If I was going to have 50 points of risk, I'd have to go like fourth size or half size. And you'd also basically at 50 points, right? You'd want to see it move from 800 back up to at least like 850 minimum for 1-to-1. Minimum. I'm not personally sold quite yet on a reversal either because the last previous selling candle had lowering volume. Not saying it can't happen, but I'm not completely sold. Anything can happen. You can have high volume and dump. You can have low volume and rip. Like it's not like it always sets the stage, but a majority of the time it does. A good amount of the time it will give you an edge. And that's what I care about, is having a statistical edge over time. That's what I care about. As a reminder, TikTok, I'm live on YouTube as well. If you guys search up Jdun Trades, Jdun Trades on YouTube, you'll find my live stream there as well. You get full screen share. You get all my levels, my full screen, and more. We're growing our community, baby, every day. Appreciate y'all hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like, hitting that thumbs up. I'll do my best to help you guys find a winning trade and stay disciplined in your trading. Choosing DOD. I also appreciate you guys using code Jdun when you're trading with Apex, Tradeify, Fund the Next, or Alpha Futures.
It went down. Paid some people and then recorded from again. See how strong
I recommend the 50K select accounts on Tradeify.
That will be a good
If you use code Jdun, it's just over $100. You can get daily payouts on day 1 if funded.
You guys take. Anyone took A for 9 again to go low? Anyone took it? Nice, Nick. You are 20 points up, huh? Keep it tight, baby. Keep it tight.
All right. All right. Damn Grizzly, they did us dirty. They didn't give us our
Guys, 902.
they didn't give us our pullback. One second. They didn't give us our pullback down to that 50%. So now that we made our higher low here, if we do end up getting this pushback down here, it's going to be less probability to see a bounce like this. So you guys are aware. So now we'll just have to wait.
So, Jdun,
I was just explaining that I was watching for that initial bounce, but because we made our higher low here, if we do get a pullback down now and fail this 15-minute range high, it's going to be less probability that we bounce and then find new highs. So I'm not as keen on taking that setup if we get the bounce.
I started to take loans up because the brief behind me just wasn't enough volume to justify it. And it was the risk. Plus low volume.
Nice money, hot 23. Going up.
To start.
Like now, I'm looking for 60 round. At this point, I want to be waiting. Maybe for 960, go below A for 9.
Don't. Oh, let's see. Staying patient today. I will not force trades on a Monday. We're making Mondays the ultimate DOD. Right now, my favorite prop firm is going to be Tradeify for beginners. Our select accounts are fire. I personally prefer live accounts. That's where I want all you guys to end up being ultimately, but props can be a great place to get a good footing, to get some valuable experience, and to utilize them to your best ability if you know what you're doing. You can't treat them like a game, though. You got to use DOD. Got to use DOD when you're trading with these props. We do have some Fed speakers today. We also have CPI tomorrow. So no big data today, but we do have CPI tomorrow. We have PPI on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, we have initial jobless claims, more Fed speakers. And Friday, we have more Fed speakers as well. Lots of Fed speakers this week. We have lots of Fed speakers this week. That Tesla 438 bounce went crazy. Crazy.
If you guys are in the first to trade, now chill. wait for the person to sell. You don't need to rush anything.
Hey, Walter said just requested $5,000 on Top Step thanks to DOD. Let's go. More and more y'all getting payouts.
You don't need to rush anything.
That's an interesting candle. Can't long that, but I'm not super keen on shorting it either. With how strong we've been. Interesting.
Are you looking at it?
I'm not really looking at anything currently. It's a tough spot because we're right below the 15-minute high. Reversal candle, over 50% of the candle wick, higher volume. Could be a reversal, but not something I'm confident enough in. It looks a little tricky.
I like short at 5. I don't like money. Yeah, that hot box basically is a range. Hot box is a range. I just name it like that, but basically it's just a range. That's what hot box means.
Mr. Gene.
What's up, bro?
Mr. Gene. You have a good weekend?
Yes, sir.
You see the Broncos are underdogs?
Against the Bills?
Yeah, Vegas has us as underdogs. 1 seed. The Bills are favored to win. I said good.
I hate the Bills.
You hate every team. That's not the Broncos.
I like the Ravens.
Besides the Ravens. You like the Raiders.
Yeah, right. GD's really sad right now.
But he is. Oh, you want to come say hi to everybody? So Gene, he's resting quick.
Ooh.
Yeah, Mr. King.
What's up, man? How's it going?
How you doing, bro? You
I'm good.
making money now?
I haven't took anything yet. I took a short last night. After that huge drop, I think I shorted like 810.
With Johnny Silver?
No, never. I will not touch silver. I'm too scared. Moves too crazy. I blew an eval the first time I tried trading silver.
I mean, I found silver really nice price up, so for my strategy, it's really nice.
Yeah. What I need to do though is I could trade micro silver, so I was thinking about doing that.
Okay, guys, as you can see, we are playing with 902. At this point, I'm waiting. I'm not going to take anything from this point. Because from the higher time frames perspective, it looks they want to mitigate this hotbox completely, the 4-hour hotbox, which finish at 960. So we are at 960
What's up?
now.
Hello, Mr. Gene.
What's up, bro?
Hello, Mr. Gene.
Did you miss me while you
We're
were
going to
gone?
go to 960. Yeah. At this point, we will mitigate the loss completely. That's why I'm waiting now. That's why I'm waiting, guys.
Yeah, me too. Staying patient. Staying very patient. I should have taken those Tesla longs. That's what I should have done. My bounce level 438 went crazy. I am going to start, once I have my levels set like I did today, I am going to start consistently trading some individuals too. You can do it side by side with futures, so it's not, doesn't take much extra effort. At least if you know what you're doing. The delay on YouTube is like 4 to 6 seconds. I'd say about 6. If you want no lag whatsoever, I'm on Zoom every day inside my Discord, inside Team Bull. Got my DOD cup. Nice job, Mikey. Passed my first eval with Apex today. Great job. Yeah, good. Good. Let all you Bills fans talk. Still nothing for me. Still nothing for me.
Honestly, the Pats weren't really playing very well yesterday.
That game was boring till the end. That game next Sunday's gonna be cold.
I know. I'm excited.
Probably just have a party here. Will you come, Gene?
Yep, I'm gonna paint my face.
You're gonna paint your you're gonna paint your face. It's on Saturday. It's still gonna be it's still gonna be cold. It's gonna be colder. What time on Saturday? Saturday, it says TBD. All right. Let's see what they give us here. Let's see if they give us a stronger reversal candle at this 15-minute high. It is counter trend, but if we get solid volume confirmation and reversal, could potentially look for a move back up with stops above like 9, 10. But we'd have to get the confirmation first.
I think it's gonna be an evening game.
Me too. I think so too.
Oh, Robert.
All right, we did get that candle closure below. Let's see if we get a pop back up. 890. $907 and 20. I want to see a bit higher, but we didn't get it. Especially fighting trend. I want to see a closer touch. Only thing I'm watching for is shorts right now, everybody. That's it. Oh, man. It's not going to give us that touch, huh?
We're watching it from again.
Well, I was initially looking for shorts. If you look on screen share, because you have this full body candle right here with the rising volume. So I was open to it. The idea if we pop back up and retested this area with stops above here, or worst case above these highs. We'll see how this candle closes. We initially popped down, what, 30, almost 30 points, 20 points. I'm still open. I'm still open to the idea. I haven't taken anything yet. I have no trades yet today. I'd like to catch the bigger move personally. So I'd like to catch a bigger move. Trend is clearly up. So if I'm going to catch a reversal, it has to be with defined risk. Come on. Stay patient. Waiting. Choosing DOD. Choosing DOD. Discipline over dopamine. Bro, you pay fees on every trade that you take. If you make $2 and your fees are $5, you lose $3. That's what it boils down to. If your fees outweigh your profit and loss, then you lose money. Yes, sir. Still,
Are you looking for shorts? Maybe?
I'm potentially watching these 890s, but not sold on it quite yet.
Looking for a shortage trade?
I was. I am. Just not super confident in it right now. I don't love that 5 minute.
Looks like we made her out. This low volume.
You know, my least favorite types of days is when we trend up on low volume. It's my least profitable type of day.
You notice how we did that on Friday?
Yep.
And yesterday it sold off.
Yep. Least profitable type of day is when we trend up on lower volume. It's been like that for a while. If you want my full screen share, Alexis on TikTok, go head on over to YouTube. Go to your YouTube app and type in JDUN Trades, Jdun Trades. You'll find me live streaming there as well. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button too. I'm watching everybody. Nothing yet. $890, $910. I'm trying to piece of shorts with stops above a 910. If you go above 910, I'll stop out for a loss. So keeping it light on this. Tried the shorts, stops above 910. I will not be adding to this either. 20 points of risk. Maybe a little less if you had a better fill. Only half size, everybody. I'm not adding to it. I got filled at 91. If we go, I have a hard stop in at 910. So if we go above 910, I'll get stopped. Actually, it's at 910.50 to be exact. I will lose $450 if I get stopped out in 5 points. It looks like it might do that too. I don't like that 5 minute close. That 5 minute close actually looks opposite of what I would ever want to trade. That's not good. We got higher volume and candle close above the 15-minute high, so I will likely get stopped out of this trade. I'm going to keep my stop the same, but I would not enter if you haven't entered yet. Not what I want to see. Quite literally the opposite of what I want to see. We likely go test high a day now. I'm going to keep my stop the same just in case, but this does not look good. If you look at this 5-minute candlestick right here, aggressive close, higher volume. I don't have much risk on this, so I'm going to keep my stop here, but my stop at 910 as it is. This is definitely not what I want to see in terms of the reversal. We had the higher volume here. We reclaimed it, closed above that candle. You guys see what I'm saying? How we have that 5-minute candlestick. It almost looks like we want to go. All right, guys, it just stopped me out on that wake up. It looks like we want to test this and likely move higher now. I swear if it pings my stop and goes, I'm going to be pissed. Yeah, personally, I'd hold off until if you're gonna try any sort of position right now, we're above the 15-minute high. So I'd almost say that have to be longs with stops below like 870. But unless we get an A+ entry, I'm not going to try anything else. I got stopped on the article. It literally went up and pinged me by 10 points, or not 10 points, by a point. Of course, I didn't really love. After I seen that last 5-minute close, it didn't look super great anyway. Good luck to you, my boy.
Our stop will have to be stop at 872. We hit it. I was trying to.
If it ends up dumping, I'm gonna be pissed. 1 for you and for 2, because it's on the BS. I'd prefer longs right now too, though. I like that. I like that idea with how that last 5-minute closed.
Price target is going to be high today.
Don't. Man, if it does what I wanted it to do, it literally went and wicked up to 75 cents actually above. Not even a whole point.
I just hope it doesn't chop around with the range.
I hope it rips for you. I hope it goes high a day.
924. Yeah. For the trim.
We're above that 15-minute high, higher volume, solid body. This candlestick's looking good too for you.
No, give us high day so we can trim.
The candle looks good too.
924, everybody. if we get up.
See anything you like, Gene? Me neither. I mean, longs over shorts for sure right now until we get to break this trend down.
You think we get the high day?
I think you have a better shot of doing that than not, per se.
I think it's going to chop around, and it's going to make the movie so it doesn't chop us. That will make.
Gold orb, what's GC doing?
Just go bumping.
It's no, the orb's playing out though. About to test that orb high at 4620. Ugh. I think you look in good shape, Grizzly Glock. Holding that 900. 2 wicks above the 50-minute high.
Give us high day. As soon as we almost move her before we enter this trade, and the rest for business, if we get it through.
If I wasn't already didn't try that short earlier, I would have tried those longs too with you with that close above. I don't.
Where you entered it, that was a good entry.
Yeah, I thought.
It was gonna reject that.
I thought so too. That's something I'd take 100 times. I don't like flipping like long to short right away or short to long right away.
I thought EQ's gonna be one of them days where it's just practical about the trim. So it's like it's being weird already. Just some days, a lot of respect. If this is not one of them. What's everyone's average on this trade? You got, dang, we should have got it at the same time because I looked all into this whenever we. Exact moment I said I was in.
This is it, Grizzly. We're getting your high day. Let's say we. I'm just rooting for you.
Good luck for us. I do have my trim setting at 2.75. It tries to mess with us. It's right below that the high day river.
Nice job, bro.
There we go. Trim.
There we go. Nice job.
There we go.
There's a win for Team Bull. We needed that.
Move your stop to entry, everyone. This is a green trade. I don't know if it's off 1,000 points. Put your stop at entry. Green trade.
Don't. Well, guys, that would have been a trade that I would have loved to have been a part of. I had just, on this initial pop back up with this red candle here, I'd tried shorts, got wicked out here. I didn't want to go back to back short to long, but this setup right here looks really good. Little bum that I tried that before, but you know, on the flip side, if we would have made that reversal here and then moved back down and followed that pre-market trend we had, then I would have been bummed if I didn't I didn't try this when we got that move down to that 50% retracement. Your mentorship works, man.
I have half remaining.
Yep. I don't really trade Google. I don't trade Google much. I mean, I'm not opposed to it, I guess. I'd prefer trading Tesla. Don't.
I'd like to take this trade out of that zone.
Don't. Okay, now we're gonna keep.
Sure, why my mic is choppy. If it's choppy for you all, people.
Wasn't as choppy, but it did chop a little bit. Nice job, Grizzly.
Brent talk as well, so I may be turning my head.
I'm a little bummed I didn't get to catch that. The setup looked good. I just had already tried a position. Didn't want to flip flop. Didn't want to pull a Shy Gilgis Alexander. Didn't want to pull LeBron and flop. I got about 30 more minutes left in me. About 30 more minutes left in me. We'll see if we can find anything else or if we're going to end today slightly red. I took an L in my trade. $3,800 for Mikey Warbucks. Let's go. Damn Mondays.
I'm still in this trade, but I'll be out of it if it's my injury.
I have a feeling that we're going to end up just slowly grinding up today. All right, let's see. I think, honestly, more than likely, we just slowly trend up. This was the one that got away right here. This was the one that got away. That was the chef's keys. The chef's keys.
What'd you say, Gray? I yeah, I'm still in my loans. You either push down and hit my entry or you push up to my next price. Rejecting that previous day close.
We'll see if we make another lower high. We got or a higher low, higher low, higher low question mark. Let's see.
Bouncing off that 900 to a T.
Yep. I think that's a good chance we keep trending up. I just don't have confidence to enter these slow grind up days. It takes one liquidity sweep down to stop you out and keep going.
He's trying his best to get my stuff.
Yeah, I'm watching this level 904. 902, sorry. Still watching. We are finding for a level 924. We reject that. 903.
Got my stop, everyone. Trade's over for me. One trim off. Trade is over.
Let's see how this 5 minute closes. I wouldn't quite say this is a reversal yet. I mean, we could very well have this be a higher low. 21, 890. I'd be willing if we got an aggressive close here to try one more short on a pop up. If we pop back up to new highs, my VPA analysis would be off for the day, and I'd end my day red. If I don't take a trade, I'm already gonna end my day red. But I'd end my day a little more red. This trend is
Session.
still technically intact though, so Yeah, it's tough to short. That's tough to short, for sure. I mean, it almost perfectly went higher, low, higher, low, higher, low. We never went with the trend setting candle either. So this might be the higher low, and maybe we trend higher, but it's not something I'm going to participate in. I will not be participating. Not in the slow trend up.
Thank you, show guys. Taking shots. And big 896.
If we close this candle like this, I'll for sure try one more piece of shorts. It's the higher 920, 890. Come on.
My stop loss is at 916.
Trying one more piece of shorts too. Added a small size of shorts on this pop up. Tried the shorts. Everybody, one more try. One more try as we wick up. I like this whole area, 890 or 885 to 900 with stops at worst case 922. One more try, of course, with hard stops set, as always. Better area up here. We'll stop sold at 922, everybody. Two. 913, 920. Don't. If you guys didn't hear me, I gave the shorts one more try. I don't love that we closed 5 minute above here again. But I have hard stops in at 920. Aggressive red, lower high. If you want to have a little tighter risk, you could go like 912. But I have stops in at 920. 920. One more try on the reversal with that 15-minute or that 5-minute aggressive red. My stop is at 920. If you want a little less risk, you can go down to 912, but I'm allowing a little more points. If I get stopped, I will lose about $1,500 on the day. So less than full size. Less than a full size daily loss. See? If we get below that 878, it should be a really nice trade. If we can break this structure to the downside. Actually, I'm going to move my stop down to like 913. So a little less risk. Little less risk if it goes against me. Right above that previous 5-minute high. It's counter trend, so I'd like to see a move below like 870s into those 860s. That would be ideal.
It's too slow.
Come on. There we go. So let's push it down further.
3 minutes on here, guys. 3 minutes on. Stop loss and a break even. Just in case.
I'm going to take one off too. Just one off. I'm going to reset my stop. My rest of my stops stay the same. And I did de-risk a little. Come on. Come on.
I think we're going to A49, Jdun.
Took a little off on this move down. I'd like to see further down though. I want to see into the 60s. I want to see into the 60s, everybody. I'd love to see into the 60s. I'm going to move my stops down to 900. Stops are at 900, so I'll still end today red if I get stopped out, but a little less. Come on. Let this be it. That looks good. Die. Go to 60s. Go to 60s, please.
Go to 0.
Come on. I want low 60s. Come on. Come on.
Some more here.
Yep, I'm going to take one more off here in the 60s, guys. One more off here in the 60s. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Yeehaw, baby. Come on. We want lower. Now, let's move our stops down to break even, and let's see if we can get the real move down here. Come on. Come on. Break 60s. Give us the 50s, baby. Come on.
Stop in profit.
Come on. Come on. Die. Die, die, die. Die, die. We want to die, baby. We don't want to die, but we want NQ to die. We want the NASDAQ. Come on. We got my first main price target in low 60s. Remaining stops at 90. Remaining stops at 90. We're keeping this a slightly green trade. Come on. Break even on the day. So I'm not even going to call it green. Not even going to call it green, but technically green, but break even. We'll take it. I'd like to see lower. Come on. Let's get continuation to the downside. Hey, about 30 points though. We'll take that. I'm out. I'm out, guys. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Wow. Wow. Guess how we're sitting? We're living large today, everybody. We're living large. Whopping 190. Great. Paid for a steak and my two sides of Brussels sprouts. And some gas to get there. But break even on a Monday, we'll take it. We'll take it. I wanted to see more. I wanted to hold down to like those 40 area. And below that, down to like 20. So 1-1-1 loss. Got a nice add up there on that move up. That was big. And we're break even on the day, so take it. 1W, 1L, DOD. Flat on the day. Flat on the day. Watch us die now.
That's all for today, guys. Evening things, done for today. We'll come tomorrow sometime, same channel, guys. Take care. I'm leaving now. Take care, Jdun. Take care, Grizzly. See you tomorrow.
See you, bro.
See you.
Adios. Yeah, sorry guys. Wanted a bigger day, but we'll take what we can get. Lost my first trade, won the second. I was hoping for the full trend move, but again, my least profitable type of day is always the trend up on lower volume. Always. I better see each of y'all in the free masterclass tomorrow too. Free live training. Tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Clear your schedule. If you want the recording, you got to get registered as well. Even if you're busy tomorrow night, I hope you make time. But for whatever reason you're busy, you got to register to get the recording.
Made some money, Jdun?
I wouldn't say that, but I paid for the gas to get to the restaurant, a steak, and a side. It's going to be everyone pays for themselves tonight, though. After tipping all, you boy ain't got much else to spare. But it was a winner, so I'm happy with that. If you guys are looking for a solid beginner funded account, I recommend Tradeify. Their 50K select accounts have daily payouts once you're funded. It's only like $111 for a 50K account. It's only a 3-day eval. If you're trading with TPT, with Take Profit Trader, it's a 5-day eval and you have intraday drawdown versus Tradeify has end of day drawdown and a 3-day eval. I recommend the 50K select account. You can use code Jdun for that discount. I got your back. I got you. I got you. J-Bum. That's what they call me. That first trade, maybe. That first trade was J-Bum. That second trade was Pay Done. Oh. That second trade was Pay Done. The first one was J-Bum. Yes. I'm flat done today. The beginner-friendly prop firm is Tradeify. I'm not. I got stopped out, guys, at break even and the rest. I want to go skiing again. I want to go skiing again. What's up, Gene? You missed me skiing this weekend? Yeah, you did. Jeremy said, I just asked ChatGPT more than 90% of humanity makes less than $200 a day. Yet people think that $200 is a bad trading day. I'll never understand that. Never. I'll never understand that. If you can average $200, $300, $400, $500 a day, you are in the top 5% of traders in the world. Just saying. Just saying. I like to keep y'all with solid expectations. I know for a lot of you guys, if you can make $200 to $500 a day extra in trading averaged and not stress yourself to death, you'd be in a much better spot. You can't tell me if you can make an extra 50 racks this year trading. That's $200 a day averaged. Tell me your life wouldn't be better. If you could make an extra, what even is that? Extra 4 racks a month. I'd be careful with shorts until we break those lows.
I think I'm going to call it a morning here. I don't want to say any more setups I like. Not one winning trade. You see anything else, Jdun? Anybody?
Not really, bro. I'd say it looks like market prefers longs over shorts right now. I'd be careful shorting. Tried it. Got an okay move, but price trend up on lower volume rest of the day.
See you all in the morning. See if we can catch another winning trade together.
A nice job today, Grizzly. 1 for 1. You killed it. You killed it, my friend. Hey, two green Mondays though to start the year. I mean, it was small today, but I should have taken my Tesla position. That would have been a banger. I better see each and every one of y'all in the free live training tomorrow. If you're in Team Bull, at a minimum, come support. Come show your boy some love. Come learn something. I guarantee you'll learn something new. You can never get too much reinforcement in your trading system in DOD. If I've helped you guys learn, if I've helped you guys have more discipline in your trading, if DOD's helped you get payouts, get funded, get paid, I want to see you guys there tomorrow. If you're looking to learn more and get funded and get payouts, then you should be there too. It's tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern time, everybody. And that gold orb went crazy. Look at that. If you're on screen share. That gold orb did pay. Who am I all seeing tomorrow for the free live training? Who's all setting aside time tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern time to come tap in? Who's all joining me tomorrow? Who's ready to learn? Miss Keisha's in. Daniel's in. Big Ole's in. Soltero's in. Tony's in. Hustle That Engineer's in. Z Trades. Flip. Francis. H King. Hack. Bree. Let's go. It's going to be a show, baby. It's going to be a show. If you guys have not quite registered yet, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. If you guys have Instagram, go to your search bar and type in JDUN Trades. It'll be the top one. When you click on my profile and message me, you can ask for the link and I'll send it to you. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free live training. Go DM me right now. What I teach you works with options too. It's not just futures. JDUN Trades on Instagram. Jdun. You're funny. Yeah, we've been live for an hour and a half. That's crazy. Just cashed out 30K to start the year. Thanks, shit. And you're welcome, bro. See ya, 7 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow. Can't believe we're underdogs, Gene. How do you feel about that?
I understand. I mean, Josh Allen is a beast.
Josh Allen is a stud.
There are a lot of good players. I think they've had a bit of a challenge for their schedule as far as the regular season as well. But we did beat the Eagles. They lost to the Falcons.
Bills Mafia, y'all are crazy.
Well, we lost to them last year too.
In the playoffs?
Yeah, the wild card.
Damn.
Yes.
Josh Allen is a stud. High day looks probable. Longs better than the shorts. We're 1.5 point underdogs. That's it. I'm taking the money line and the spread. No, actually, I'm not going to do that because then we know how the game's going to go. Whenever I bet, just bet the opposite. We actually won't be doing that. As a reminder, too, guys, Apex is 80% off using code Jdun. 80% off. That's the firm I got my $50,000 payout from. I'll post the link in the chat right here. I like the 50K Trade of 8 accounts. I usually go for the Bolt account for fun and next. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate you guys always using code JDown. I'll always do my best to help you guys practice, implement, and execute DOD and to trade smart and trade safe. I always got your back, baby. Got your back. You missing all those trading options? You can take my NASDAQ trades with QQQ. Takes a little bit different risk management, but I'm also slowly going back to calling out levels and calling out individual trades as well. I think shorts are coming. I wouldn't bet on it unless we break below these this like 860 area. I wouldn't personally bet on it. Yeah, I wouldn't bet on shorts to come in right now. What up, Grizzly Glout? He takes 1 to 2 trades a day with a win rate of about 80%. Would definitely stick around if I were you. Appreciate you, Caden. Not perfect, but we do all right here. Do my best. And we have fun. And you're reminded to choose discipline over dopamine every day. Break-even day for me. Slightly green, but not a great day for me. It's all right. Come back stronger tomorrow. Choosing DOD. Whoa. All right, everybody. I'm going to mob off for the day. 1 win, 1 loss. Break even day. I mean, plus about 200, but break even in my eyes. Hopefully you guys made progress today. You learned something new. You chose discipline over dopamine. You followed your plan. If you did that, that's a win. That's Team Bull. As always, remember you guys can use code Jdun for the best possible discount on Tradeify and Apex. My 2 preferred firms, Apex is 80% off and Tradeify is 30% off. I like the select 50K account on Tradeify. You made me a better trader, Jdun. I love DOD. Have a good day, pay down. Have a good day, everybody. God bless. I'll see you guys later, and I'll have the Team Bull schedule out shortly as well. God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Maybe for Power Hour, but for sure tomorrow. Peace.